Kolkata and Chennai. Chennai. Chennai is popularly known as the gateway to South India and is located along the Coromandel coast. The city has a fair mix of traditional and modern culture. In fact, it is the only city in India to be in the list of 52 best places to visit in year 2014 as per the New York Times. The city is home to about 40% of India's automobile industry and is known as the automobile capital of India. Location and climate of Chennai. Chennai is situated along the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Being a coastal city, Chennai has a hot and humid climate for most part of the year. The two main seasons are summer from March to May and monsoon from June to August. The city also experiences post-monsoon period from September to December and winters from December to February. The months of May and June are the hottest while January is the coolest. History of Chennai. The city, previously known as Madras, was renamed as Chennai in 1996. The name Madras is said to have originated from Madrasapatnam, a fishing village located north of the St. George Fort, which was built by the British in 1644. The art and architecture in Chennai reflects an influence of ancient Indian rulers. The Portuguese came to Madras in the 16th century. By the mid-18th century, Madras came under the administration of the British East India Company. Madras was the major naval base and administrative center of the British in the south. Important buildings in Chennai. Madras High Court, an 1892 construction. The red sandstone building is a big tourist attraction. Presidency College, one of the oldest government art colleges in India. Ripon Building, classic blend of the modern and classical style of architecture. It houses the headquarters of Chennai Corporation. Government Museum. Located in Egmore, the Government Museum is the second oldest museum, the first being the Indian Museum, Kolkata. Important tourist places in Chennai. Mahabalipuram Shore Temple. Built in the 8th century, the Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram is named so because it overlooks the Bay of Bengal. In 1984, the UNESCO designated the temple as a World Heritage Site. Kanchipuram. It houses famous temples like the 7th century Kailashnath Temple and the 16th century Ekambareshwara Temple. The village is also known for world-famous Kanchipuram saris. Marina Beach. Marina Beach, one of the longest beaches in the world, is situated in Chennai. The beach is a very popular tourist attraction. Arignar Anna Zoological Park. It is one of the largest zoological parks in the world. It was built in 1855 and was called the Madras Zoo at the time.
Crocodile Bank. It is a crocodile breeding and research center which provides breeding facilities for several species of Indian and African crocodiles and alligators.
They are kept in natural enclosures which are open to public viewing. Life of the people of Chennai. Chennai holds a 5-week-long music festival, which has been described as one of the world's largest cultural events. Carnatic music is a popular form of music in Chennai. Bharatnatyam is a classical Indian dance form which originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu.
Some noted personalities who hail from Chennai.
R.K. Narayan, novelist and short story writer. Sir C.V. Raman, Indian physicist who received the 1930 Nobel Prize for Physics. A.R. Rahman, Oscar awardee composer, singer, music producer and musician. Vishwanathan Anand, chess grandmaster and former world chess champion.